London, movie star Sienna Miller on Thursday accepted substantial damages from the publisher of British tabloid The Sun, which she accused of hacking her phone and leaking news of her pregnancy. Miller, whose films include Factory Girl, Black Mass and The Lost City of Z, joins a list of dozens of people who have received payments from News Group newspapers over illegal eavesdropping that took place more than a decade ago. News Group newspapers, part of Rupert Murdoch's News Corp conglomerate, has paid millions of pounds to settle lawsuits from hacking victims, many of them famous British figures. Of 5 counts of staging racist, anti-gay attack in Chicago, lying to police, phone hacking to obtain an individual's private information is illegal in the United Kingdom and in the United States. Most of the cases in the UK have involved the now-defunct News of the World, which was shut down by Murdoch in 2011 after revelations that its employees had snooped on the voicemails of celebrities, sports figures, politicians and even crime victims in search of scoops. News Group newspapers has acknowledged hacking by the News of the World but not by The Sun, which continues to operate. Once the largest circulation publication in the UK, it has been overtaken by the Daily Mail in recent years. Miller, 39, said she felt fully vindicated after the publisher agreed to pay her undisclosed substantial damages without admitting liability. The settlement means her claims of illegal activity by the tabloid will not go to a full trial. Outside court, Miller said journalists and management at the newspaper very nearly ruined my life. I have certainly seen how they have ruined the lives of others. Of receiving and possessing child pornography. Their behavior shattered me, damaged my reputation, at times beyond repair, and caused me to accuse my family and friends of selling information that catapulted me into a state of intense paranoia and fear, said Miller, who was a British tabloid fixture during her relationship with fellow actor Jude Law in the early 2000s. Miller's lawyer, David Sherborne, said the payment was tantamount to an admission of liability by The Sun. The lawyer, who has also represented celebrities such as Duchess Meghan of Sussex and Johnny Depp in their lawsuits against tabloids, said Miller was the subject of intense media scrutiny and serious intrusion into her private life from around 2003. In particular, The Sun published numerous intrusive stories about her that contained intimate private details about her relationships and feelings and even her confidential medical information, he said. He said Miller accused the then editor of The Sun, Rebecca Brooks, and others of leaking the news of her pregnancy, a leak that had led her to being unable to trust those closest to her when she really needed them. Brooks, who has a close daughter-like relationship with Murdoch, is now the chief executive of Murdoch's News UK business. She was tried and acquitted in 2014 of phone hacking. For more than a decade, British tabloids have been settling phone hacking lawsuits filed by multiple accusers, thus heading off the claims before they reached trial. Just this week, others who have settled claims against the Sun's publisher included the former soccer star Paul Gascoigne, the actors Sean Bean and Charlene Spiteri, lead singer of the band Texas. Meanwhile, Prince Harry's phone hacking case against three tabloids, The Sun, News of the World and the Daily Mirror, which he joined in 2019, remains pending. He is among multiple celebrities who claim these tabloids illegally intercepted their voice messages decades ago. In court papers, Harry said hacking affected his relationships with friends and family and led to a breakdown in trust. Harry and his wife, the former Meghan Markle, who now live in California after stepping away from royal duties, have become leading voices in the cross-ocean debate about alleged tabloid intrusions. So far, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex have been winning more battles than losing. Meghan just won another victory in her legal battle against the publisher of the Mail on Sunday for invading her privacy and violating her copyright in publishing a letter she wrote to her estranged father after her 2018 wedding to Harry. The publisher has said it will appeal that ruling. Contributing, Maria Buente, USA Today.